What's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys. Well, finally, after 3 years, I did the video of this up and running 12 card rig over 3 years ago. I think it was November 2nd is when we got this guy up and running finally. And it has been running almost consistently since. I did pull out one of the 1060 cards using another computer. Just because I wasn't able to mine Ethereum with it anymore because they are 3 gig cards. And this fan finally died. So it lasted a little over 3 years and I'm going to have to replace it. So if you guys take care of your hardware, you design it, you can get really good longevity out of the hardware depending on how it's treated and what you're able to do with it. Look how clean these cards are. These cards are so clean from this box. All this was a filtered box. I have never cleaned this other than changing the air filter down here, which you guys can see in one of the videos where I changed it 2 years ago. I actually haven't changed this in 2 years since the last time I've done a video. I've been a little busy, to say the least, lately. But I just want to show you how conditioning your cards really makes the biggest difference in the world. 3 years later, they're clean, they're still running, no problems, and perfect resale value if you wanted to resell them. Look how nice they look. Well, that's enough about the red miner, guys. If you have any questions or comments, I will link the old original video, how I built this, how I put it together, what all the parts were, so you guys can follow up. We got it mining some ETHOS over here on Ethereum. That's the card to the right. And quick FPGA mining update. This is the FPGA miner I got almost a year ago, actually right at a year ago. The Blackminer F1. This guy has been running nonstop, no problems whatsoever for over a year. I do blow it off every once in a while to try to keep it clean. I have not put it down into the air filtered box yet. If you're new to the channel, make sure to check out some of the older videos. I will be doing a lot more new videos coming up. There is an air filtered box which I tied into my AC system, which actually allows the heat to bleed throughout the entire house instead of concentrating into a single room. Well, guys, I just wanted to give you a quick mining update because this fan did finally break on me, and I wanted to keep track of how long hardware lasts, what kind of conditions they were in, and what we can expect out of these hardware over time frame as we continue to learn to mine and the mining world evolves. Well, thanks, guys. Appreciate you checking out the video. Happy Thanksgiving, because that's coming up really soon. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And if none of those holidays apply to you guys, happy holidays. See ya.